Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study History Class 10 ICSE. Begin by mapping the syllabus into weekly goals and prioritize chapters by weight. Read concise summaries and build timelines for events, then annotate causes and effects. Use active recall with flashcards and short essays to test memory. Practice past papers under timed conditions and review mistakes immediately. Balance reading with map drills and key dates for lasting retention. Start each study session with a 5-minute review of prior notes to warm up your brain. Alternate reading with writing to cement facts into memory and use timelines to link events. Test yourself with quick quizzes and explain topics aloud as if teaching someone else. Schedule timed practice of short answers and essays to build speed and structure. End sessions with a summary of 2 to 3 key takeaways to retain focus. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for study sessions because it keeps drinks cold, fits cup holders, and has a secure lid that won't leak on your notes. It's great for long revision days and quick walks between classes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus revision on exam patterns and commonly asked themes while keeping your notes concise and organized. Practice full papers to simulate exam pressure and review model answers for structure and keywords. Use mind maps to connect themes across chapters and prioritize weak topics in nightly reviews. Keep a list of important dates and maps handy for quick drills. Stay consistent with small daily sessions rather than long, infrequent marathons for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.